In this video, we're going to see how to make use the relationship in persisting data. Let's reopen Tinker. Import the category and product model namespace. Okay, let's see how to insert data first. Let's get a first category. So, without relationship, we can add a new product model for the category by instantiate a product model. Specify attributes model with any values. For the foreign key column, we can set it with category ID and then call save method to process the change into database. Now, Eloquent also provides convenient ways for adding models to relationship. Let's see how to do that. We instantiate a model instance, then adjust the model attributes except the foreign key. Now, since we have category instance, we can add the product instance by saying category products save, then pass in the product instance, product 2 in this case. Now, if I check out the products table, here are the newly created records. The first one inserted using non-relationship method, and the second one using relationship method. Here I'll remove this record. And now let me show you how to save multiple model instances through relationship method. So here I have two product instances. Notice that each instance has no value for category ID. And then I'll define another variable to hold these instances. Now here, we can save one of these products by saying category products save many and pass in the products. Now if we see our products table, here we have two products record on the table. Besides save method, we can also use create method. Remember that create method accepts associative array as input. Let's define another product instance as array. So here, let's define an array and specify the key value pairs. Then we can add the product to category by saying category products create and pass the array. If we see the products table, here we have the new record. Besides create method, we can also use create many method. This method is useful when you want to insert array of data to a related model. So here, I have array of products. Then, to process this array into our database, we can say category products create many and pass the products. Let me verify the table. Okay, here are the new record. Last, let's see how to delete a related model. So for example, if we want to delete the first product of the category, I can say category products first delete. If you want to delete all related products of this category, you can say category products delete. If I verify the products, now it's empty. Alright, so now that you know how to link between two models and see how to retrieve and process data between two related models with more easier and more elegant, let's continue to the next lesson where we'll learn about Model Factory.